So this is basically the same step if you want to make the deposit by Mobil. For those living in Cameroon especially, what I want to show you here is how you can make the deposit also by Mobil, which is mobile payment. So here I in deposit gateway I'm going to choose mobile payment, and as currency I'm going to choose XF. This is for the resident in Cameroon, so it's exclusively for them if they want to make a deposit by Orange Money or by MTN Mobile Money. Here I'm gonna key in how much I want to buy, like suppose $2. I just for testing purpose, and it's gonna tell me the exact amount it's gonna deduct from my account. But I think I don't want to spend that much. I just want to say like $1, and I will click deposit. Here I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna key in anything here, Orange Money, and I will click on the deposit. Now what it does is gonna be redirecting me to the payment gateway. I need to put my number, my mobile number here. So just hold on, and I'm gonna press next. So I'm gonna follow this step on my mobile, just typing what they're asking me. So if you see, they're saying receive your payment code from your mobile by typing pound 150 star 4 star 4 star hash. So I'm gonna type in here and just follow the steps as it is mentioned on the website. I need to put my number, and here I'm gonna put the payment code I received by SMS, and I'm gonna press confirm. As you can see, the transaction was completed. I just need to click here to go back to SIMBCOIN website. And once I am in an account, I will see also the latest transaction Mobil, and you can see as comment I show here Orange Money. Now if I go to my dashboard, my previous account was $10. I could see $11 now because I just made $1. So basically this is how you can make a deposit using all the sources.